Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll be unboxing a pair of earphones. This is the Wicked 1000cc, or it has an alternate model number, which is the WI1050. Now you can see that this happens to be a pair of wired earphones, and some of the features are mentioned on front. You can see that they're stating it has enhanced bass, a wide range, high fidelity audio. The cords happen to be flat, which means there's less chances of tangling. It's hands-free and it also offers some amount of noise isolation. On the front, they are also giving you some information regarding the actual housing, that it's made out of metal. And the same features are stated on the left-hand side with an additional mention of the angle of the connector, which is at 45 degrees. And aside from that, you have the three different ear tip sizes. On the other side, you have nothing of that sort. On the back of the packaging, we have additional features on the right hand side, most of which happen to be covered by the sticker. Let's just try to read what they are. It's got a sensitivity of 103 decibels. The driver is 10 millimeters wide. It's neodymium. On the bottom, you have mention of the audio quality. It's high fidelity. You have an enhanced bass, wide ranged, and an angled housing for better comfort. There's also mention of the warranty period on the bottom left, but you should always check the Amazon listing to get a proper idea of the warranty coverage for the device in India. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. Now there's some amount of documentation on the bottom, and the entire device comes in a little plastic clamshell packaging. So you have the model name, that is the Drive 1000cc. You have some specifications, most of which we've already seen. Some of this happened to be hidden behind the sticker, so we'll go through that. The frequency range is 20 Hz to 20 kHz. The impedance is 16 ohms. Cord length is 1.2 meters. And what else? You can get mic and track controls, that's playback control. Aside from that, you have compatibility of Android as well as iOS, and then you have the controls on both platform, how it'll go, let's say, onto the next track, the previous track, or whether you can answer calls or pause playback. Then you have the ear tips. You have large and small ear tips in the packaging. The medium ones come pre-installed on the earphones. And the cable is flat as was advertised. This helps reduce tangles, especially if you have a lot of cables in your bag. It's a Y cable, as you can see, and you have some amount of cable management provided with this little loop, which can alter the length of either left or right channel. Then you have the control pod with a little inlet on the back side for the microphone. Now, button control was stated in the user manual, so you should always read through that. And these are the metal sound chambers. It's also angled, as you can see. Then there's the connector, which was angled at a degree of 45. And this is TRRS, as you can see, because it has a microphone. So that's it for the unboxing of the Wicked Drive 1000cc or WI1050 earphones. Thank you for watching.